Hello, 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 everyone. Happy Tuesday. I hope everyone is enjoying their day. I hope everyone is staying focused. I hope everyone is truly blessed today. And I'm coming to you with another video. I do have some packets to open. Yes, business is still going well. For those who want to know if I'm being affected or if people are being affected by this whole coronavirus thing, business still goes on, life still goes on. We still have families to take care of, mouths to feed, and we have people that rely on us, believe it or not. But I'm not going to get into all of that because today what I want to discuss with you is direct mail. And not only that, our webinar, which is going to be at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. I would like for as many people to tune in, especially if you are not currently working. We have a lot of people that have been laid off, their jobs shut down, and they just need additional income, something additional to do. And this is a great business to be a part of, especially with everything that's going on. But what I want to also do is just, if you can stay till the end, because I want to share some information that I received today that I know will inspire a lot of people, but not only that, lift a lot of people up, especially those who may be experiencing depression or fear because of what's going on within our nation today. There's a lot of things that's going on, and this is just one of the things out of many of things that has happened over the many years of being on this planet and this actual planet existing. Things happen, but what we need to do is we need to stay focused, because we are truly blessed to still be here. We need to make the most of life. Not only that, we need to be an inspiration to others around us, not just people on the outside, but the people who are right here in your home, whether it's your husband, wife, children, grandchildren, nieces and nephews. You need to be here to inspire them. And that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be here to inspire you and to help you to stay focused during these times. Why? Because you guys are my family, my online family. I have a ton of people online that I love, that loves me, that are there. And that's basically, what this is about. So I'm going to go ahead and open up some packages that I received. And while I'm opening up these packages, I'm going to also share some information with you about things that will actually uplift you and inspire you to keep working within your online business, or keep looking for an online or offline business. And not only that, supplement or replace your current income. That's what I decided to do in 2016 when my back was against the wall and someone was deciding to take my only income away from me. I said, no more. I'm not going to live like this. And I made the decision to do something better. And that decision has changed my life, not only my life, but also my family life, the people who depend on me, their life as well. Okay. Hey, Mona. Hey, Annie. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Natasha. Hey, Melody. Thanks for tuning in. If you can just let me know where you're tuning in from, and if you're watching this later on in the day, hashtag replay for me. Okay. And again, guys, we will be having an awesome webinar tonight at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. You want to be a part of it. The information will be in the comment section. If you're watching this on YouTube, it will be in the description section below the video. Okay. Hey, Charles. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Barbara. Thanks for tuning in, guys. So I got 2 books of stamps. I had an online payment coming from Roderick. Roderick is from Georgia. Thanks so much for being a part of the team. Glad to have you with us. He decided to take advantage of our special. For those that don't know, we do Impact Mailing Club still has a promotion going on, and that has been extended due to what's going on in our world today. People still need to get paid. People still need to be a part of an opportunity where they can earn, especially if they're no longer at their full-time job. And that's what Impact Mailing Club is allowing people to do. Tonight's webinar is for passive profits. For those that don't know, I'm involved in 2 opportunities full-time, one being a postcard program and the other being a direct mail flyer program, okay? Marquita, she sent in a payment for $20. She came in at the Emerald level, and I also received 1 book of stamps. Here is the $20 money order. Thanks so much, Marquita. Glad to have you a part of the team. Let's see what else we have here. I have a packet that came in from Kenya Brown. Kenya is from LA. And guys, I have not been out to check the mail yet this week, but I will be going out in probably today or tomorrow. So if I do not call your name, I did not forget about you. I just have not been to the post office as of yet. So here, Kenya, she sent everything in an envelope. And we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we have. Okay, so we have a total of 2 money orders. One for $500. She joined me in Passive Profits. So here's a $500 money order for that. And she also joined me in Impact Mailing Club. And here is a $500 money order for that. And I also got a total of 6 books of stamps, guys. So thanks so much, Kenya. Glad to have you a part of the team. If I call your name, please make sure you get with me to get your customized cover letter and also your website. Okay, website is very important. That's what helps your business to run. This one came in from Dawn from California. I received your packet. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Dawn from California. Okay, so Dawn joined me in at the Sapphire level with Impact Mailing Club. And here is the info. Let's see what we have here. Okay, Don had paid online and I received 2 books of stamps. He paid $100 electronically. Thanks so much, Don. Glad to have you a part of the team. And then I have a packet here from Kelly. Kelly from Florida. Let's see what we have here. Kelly came in, let's see what level? At the Emerald level, which is the lowest level. I received a $20, 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much, Kelly. Glad to have you a part of the team. And then Ladina from Arkansas. Got a packet here, a smaller packet. Let me go ahead and open this up. I am getting more electronic payments. For a lot of people, they can't get out of work or they can't make it to the post office. So they do send in electronic payments. I am getting a lot of those. And if you want to join electronically so you can get started faster, you can do so. So we have Ladina who came in at the Sapphire level. I received a $100 payment and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Ladina. Glad to have you a part of the team. So what I want to talk about is some of the good news that's going on when it comes to the coronavirus, because there's so much stuff out there on social media, so much information about all of the negative things that's going on. So what I want to do is give people hope and let you guys know that this is just a setback for a really great comeback. And what we have to do is not only stay focused, but also feed ourselves positivity, because there's so much negativity that's going on, so much negativity that's being discussed. But I'm going to give you guys some good news. So someone sent me some information that I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm reading from my phone if you see me looking down. But what we have so far is, because of the anxiety around the world, we want to talk about some great news today. And one of the things that we're going to talk about is China, who has closed down its last coronavirus hospital. Not enough new cases to support them. Doctors in India has been successful in treating the coronavirus. And we have researchers that are in Erasmus Medical Center found an antibody for the coronavirus. And we have a 103-year-old Chinese grandmother who had made a full recovery from COVID-19. Apple also reopened all 42 China stores. So with that said, we are headed in the right direction. I want people to do not let fear overpower you. Do not allow fear to throw you off your A game or stop you from being successful. Do not allow it to consume your life, because fear is not what we're here for. God did not put us on this planet Earth to live in fear, okay? So what I want people to do is just be positive. Not only that, if you are looking for a home-based business opportunity, you need to be a part of this webinar. I'm not telling you this to try to sell you something, but to educate you on how you can earn a full-time income from home, how you can make a difference in your life and also the life of your children. Hey, William, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Lisa. Hey, Miss Dawkins. Hey, Jeffrey. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Hey, Julianne, Tino, thanks so much for tuning in. Yep, so I just wanted to leave you guys with that. Right now, this is over $1,000 in payments for direct mail. 2 $500 money orders, tons of cash, and not only that, actually not 2, 3 money orders in cash, and also stamps in the mail from people who have joined this opportunity that's willing to give it a try, but not only that, earn a full-time income and have a business from home. Okay, so I just want people to stay inspired. Hey, Michelle. Hey, Linda. No problem. You're welcome. Hey, Susie. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. And I want people to be happy, okay? We are going through things right now. Everyone is going through something, whether it's one thing or another. But we will overcome this. You will overcome this. This will be something of the past. Next year, it'll be something else. And it probably will be something positive. But what we need to do is we need to really wrap our heads around what's going on and what we can do to motivate one another. But not only that, use this time to do something positive. Use this time to do something that you've been wanting to do for a long time that maybe you didn't have the time to do. Okay, so now that you have the time, you can use that time to be productive and to do something more than what you was able to do when you was working your 9 to 5. So many people, you think about it, you was working an 8-hour to 10-hour shift. Now you're home, you're able to spend more time with your family, but not only that, you're able to mentally wrap your brain around doing something productive, something that can earn you a full-time income from home, so that when that job opens back up, you don't have to go there. You can stay home and work your business, okay? So that's what you want to do. Hey, Cicely, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Tim. So yeah, I want people to really think about that. There's so many people that are a part of my team that work from home, Cicely being one of them. We don't have to worry about going out. We don't have to worry about going to a 9 to 5. We have people like Mary Beth. We have Ontarian. We have so many other marketers, offline and online marketers, who are earning a full-time income from home. And all we want to do is show people that it is possible, inspire people to do the same, and not only that, give you the training and the support that you need to make a difference, okay? And not just a difference in your life, like I said before, but also a difference in the life of others, children, nieces, nephews. There's someone that's out there that's looking to be inspired, someone out there that's looking for an opportunity. They're looking for a way out, and that's what we want to do. We want to give people that. So again, guys, thanks for tuning in. Stay blessed. I'll see you tonight, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. The information will be in the comment section below. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.